No bells. It's just, hi guys, JTR Bricks here. Here comes the train. We are waiting on the Conrail Heritage Unit.
We're waiting on the
I see it.
Yeah, oh, I see it, yep.
Sorry, it is very cold right now. 2 CSX Intermodal. 516 and 6291. And there it goes. It is very cold, guys.
29 degrees. It's
I know.
freezing. Look down there.
Again? Oh my gosh, guys.
You can still see the engine.
Sorry that it's shaky. I'm just holding this with my hands inside my coat.
I'm freezing.
It's so cold. There's sure. Oh my gosh, it's cold.
I'm literally so freezing. I'm so cold. I'm so bad. I'm just so bad that it's not like shaky. I'm freezing. There we go. It's a lot warmer now.
Oh, it's cold. I wish I brought my gloves.
Me too.
I didn't know it's supposed to be so cold today. It's a very long train. I don't know if I mentioned this yet, but the Conrail Heritage Unit's coming through.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, I thought so. I was just making sure.
For me, it's been around 4 minutes since we started this.
Really? It's 3 minutes right now.
It's 4 minutes. I think this is the end. It's getting really loud.
There's the end. Well, there's the end of this very long train. And there it goes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.